Say, make I tell you, because I follow you, they stand up for this.
They try advice.
I said, the pollution and they tell advice.
Small 200.
They follow you, they play.
So that because of this advice I give you now, you won't blow me.
At your size.
You won't blow me.
Yeah, spoken with
you didn't know it. For the second eye. You don't okay now?
It done they okay.
Okay, go. Make our staff do okay.
It done they okay.
Alright.
yes. He said you should call me by 2 p.m.
200 million no be money where you go use go the carry
Come for this place. Come on for here. If I they avoid me for this office.
Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Welcome to the office.
Madam, no too much.
What's wrong with my laptop? Hey boy, Fred, this work don't tire me.
I don't understand the way you just consider here. You know, say I feel the nice to you, but British no go grill.
They get headache. The work don't tire me.
I just want to use this laptop just because of say my laptop. I don't understand that one.
I say my head they tire me. They tell me laptop. All these ones where they talk, no even they enter. They get headache.
Just know say if they catch you for you, I no deal. No go come dey go.
Fred, this work don't tire me. Hi.
Anyways, get something I want to tell you. Get one of my guy like this. That guy don't say he get one game. And that guy I trust him for any game when he bring out. In game they show where. Now for us to just put money for that game, if you put money, bless our life will change you.
Wait, you trust this guy well?
The guy not show game.
And they give sure prediction.
No man now.
Let me say if person puts better money for inside, he go bring
They
better
play,
money.
madam, they pay salary today. So once madam pay salary, so all my salary now they put am.
Hi! I don't talk and say now Holy Spirit is carrying me come meet you for a year.
No, now see, if you just carry better money put inside that thing now, so life don't change.
Let me say if person puts like a 200 naira now. Feel me like a 200 million.
I don't understand. 1,800 naira or dollar, I don't understand.
No, I say if person put like a 200 naira now for this game. If you see like a 200 million. Hi, make I see like a 200 million now. Make I come buy house. Like 5-bedroom duplex. Make I come put like a swimming pool. Big swimming pool. Can buy like a 3G wagon. I could get warm. My wife will get warm. I could come keep warm.
Wake up from the rubbish way they talk. I go say 200 million, you want to buy a house, you want to get swimming pool, you want to buy 3 car bottles. How much you think say you they talk? How much you say be better money safe? Which kind of house you want to buy? Why you think say you want to buy that house?
So like a person no go fit to build like a 5-bedroom.
If you want get standard house for this kind of island where you see so, where you know say you go match standard, where you say normal thing like this, you go get better house, big swimming pool, you get your fleet of rice, everything, lamb, all of them for this area. You don't know the kind of money where you go to talk.
So 50 million no go fit build me that kind of house. Make I use the remaining 150 buy 3G wagon.
I don't understand this sometimes. You just talk anyhow. If you want to buy that kind of thing, they go Ikorodu, go buy all those kinds of things, you know what you go buy.
So if you win that kind to me 200 million now, what do you want use it?
I know say your dream is small, but no matter if I win better money as I day so. When we talk about billions, we talk about billions. We talk about big dreams. You know what I go do? Firstly, as I do like this now, so normal level, I go first collect house. Collect one mansion for Banana Island. That's how they match the mansion. Next thing, I they match my fleet of ride. The colors of the cars where I go to wear go be the same color of the outfits where I go to wear. I go meet the video. If I meet the video, the next thing where I go do, I go customize my outfit. I go feature them for one of my rap songs. After I feature the video for one of my rap songs, the next thing where I go to be say party from day by day. 10 girls go follow me sleep tonight. Tomorrow another girls go. Everything go boss.
Martins, wait.
Lifestyle go search.
Martins.
I go be celebrity.
Martins, wait. Wetin concern this money now? Concern and shower where you want carry. You go live all those kind of life. This is the video now. Me and you know say this is your music career. You know fit peak. So the video no go fit put in hand for where in game.
Yeah, I'll just come for you.
You just talk
just come for you.
Now then you want go put
because I even follow you the reason. You know say you no go school. She know say you no get any dream. Me and you no be set to. Make you know. If I follow you the talk for this one, make you know yourself. Now the time you play, I no be like office.
What is this guy?
I follow you. I stand up.
At least.
Stop, you the craze.
I dey give you
I will give you some.
Be small 200 million. And you want use.
Is this still there?
He don't come out. He don't come out.
Hey.
He did this side. Hey, he don't come out.
Is in there?
He did there. He don't come out.
Sorry, okay. Take care of yourself, okay? Don't be too bothered.
No
Yes,
problem.
yes,
Thank you.
Okay.
I'll talk to her and I'll get back to you.
200 million no be money wey you take carry shower.
Come for it, Tori.
Person go dey give you advice.
Skip this stuff.
I dey
get that for here.
smart too.
Now because I dey follow you, dey play most of the time for this office. That's why you dey follow me talk like that. The next time you go talk to me for this office, you go see what I go do you. You rubbish. Nonsense. Poor man.
Yeah, I'm sending the money to you now. Okay, bye. What? Please leave me alone. We'll talk later. Okay, bye. Good morning, sis.
Madam, good morning. Who are you talking to? This one you're sounding all romantic and smiling like a roasted goat.
No, but
What morning conversation were you having?
sis, don't worry about it, please.
So that's what we're doing now.
What are we doing?
Keeping secret, yeah?
Okay, so if you must know, I was talking with a friend of mine and it's a boy.
Of course I know he's a boy.
Yeah, so we're trying to start a project together. Well, I want it to be a surprise to you, for you.
Ha. Wait, this one you're starting a project with a guy. What is it about?
This is a surprise.
Sorry, I'll mind my business. Forgive me for asking. What are you doing here? Are you not supposed to be out on a trip, girls' trip with Becky and Co? Did you cancel?
No, I'm still going. They're even waiting for me. But I forgot a file here, so I need it quickly. That's it. Thank you very much. You're gonna be sweet.
Go, Jerry.
Bye.
Bye. Please tell Fred to come up. I beg, I need him to get me some food. I'm very hungry, yeah?
Should he buy my own too?
My friend, go.
Bye. I'll call him.
Madam, you come.
Yeah, Fred, please, I need you to help me go across to get me my usual, alright? The restaurant, I beg. I'm very hungry. I'll transfer the money to you.
Madam, make I just go.
No, stay. How will you get me my food?
Madam, you say make I go.
I said I'll transfer the money. Fred, I know you want me to buy you your own. Take anything you want, eh? Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Madam, make I put stocking for my food. Sorry.
Fredo, my guy! Oh, mo. You see this kind of food very different from this one now?
You say we're different from each other. You understand me? Some people they're more privileged than some other people.
I swear this your food makes sense. I never see this kind of one for a while. Remember I test this food now.
No. Now madam get that for me.
No, madam get you this food. I swear to God. Madam no dey treat me like this.
Now because you know they're loyal to madam. No, if you're loyal to madam, she go do you well.
Oh yeah, allow me chop it in. I don't do like that now. Matters now, baby.
So it's a big bag.
You do like that. This food makes sense. I swear.
Take this one.
You carry 2 spoons already. You know my paying guy.
I don't know you, Nana. Your way with that.
This
now.
one.
But you don't go touch my meat too. Agreement is agreement too. I say make you know. Don't say now your wickedness. Now this your wickedness make this kind of thing they do you. You know what's in now? Why people know they help people with this? Now why people know they help people? I say make you chop my meat. In fact, I don't give you again. They go.
Oh my!
I don't give you food.
I don't want to chop before no man now.
They go.
Now this thing they be like now my eye just enter the food. I say man chop.
Don't come chop my meat now. You don't happy.
No problem. My guy, we do together.
If I come back, small thing make you just chop 1 or 2 spoons now.
Straight that way they come work. After 9.
Listen to the job.
Nothing was sorry. They come work by this kind of time.
Don't see am. Don't see food now. Your eye don't dey open.
I beg, I don't want your food. Madam, the office.
They ask me when they come work by this kind of time.
Leave am.
I beg yourself, nonsense. Life will change. Your life will change very soon.
Afa, they don't send you that day.
I never even check himself. I never check him.
Wait. If you be so these people are the home, don't send you.
Seriously.
Oh boy!
What's happened?
No, my salary na drop like this, so.
You can take my own.
Yeah! You go send me that this thing.
The boy don't drop the code.
You don't drop the code.
You don't drop master to you.
My salary don't enter. Which one? Make I put inside now. How much make I put?
If you put everything,
Everything.
I don't send that to you, so.
You know go too much.
Okay, see, dream big now. Don't say make you dream big once.
I dey dream big, but if I carry all my money, put you know the risk.
You don't go save all your children and make you do better thing for this life.
Hey, I want go too hard, oh.
You play now.
Make I put everything.
Yes, now. Me I go put
Because
everything.
this guy sure well.
The guy too
If
sure.
money loss, he go pay me.
You update now, making sense of it, and they tell you.
Yay!
Our life will change.
I don't put
If you walk away from this company, it's ease and composure. So we worked here before, now history. Now we worked here before, but we don't know working there.
When you say we don't come make that money now, I could just give small madam slap.
You know that man.
If she complain, I will not give her 3 million. Tie.
She slap herself, she will die. That girl don't get more.
That's how our life will take change.
I swear to God. Better update than the cheap person life is like. If you get update is the key to everything.
Update me.
Update me.
You guys share the love now. Which kind of updates be this?
Who's more share love? You the share love.
Don't be everything that they get small picky.
Small picky. This kind
I
of thing
don't
no
be
be for
small
small picky.
picking. Tell me now.
You just say one no.
Yes, now.
Just this girl go fit.
So you keep
I
secret.
go fit.
You just say you keep secrets.
Yes, I go keep secret.
You sure?
I
You don't say you go open mouth, they talk.
I swear.
No problem.
Yeah.
You want people to get by the same. You carry your money, you go put inside. They give you your salary now, you go put them. You can get more than $1 million return fold. Yes, now.
Yeah, plan for me.
Bring your phone.
Bring your phone, return for you. Your salary will take more.
Yeah.
Bring your phone.
I don't see my phone.
How much? Now your salary be this number. And you go transfer everything for your salary, put up for your app.
Everything.
How much one is one before?
100 naira now.
Hey? I said this girl not ready for your life to change. If you're not ready for your life to change, you go stop.
Like this now, all my salary I put inside.
Oh, your salary?
Yes, no.
But I didn't hear all this news about this gambling.
This guy is sure. This guy is sure. If you know say you no go fit do am, no give us negative energy. If you know say you no go fit do am, leave and make me do our thing.
Oh yeah, make I do my 100 naira. You guys, una do your maybe later. I will join una.
I beg, they go carry bad market, they go, no, they go. If you want to, I will go find me the 200
still dey chop?
I no chop again.
Bye-bye.
I will cut my coat according to my size now. Waiting.
How many minutes?
Oh, well, you know what? It just remain up very few minutes. Oh,
Hey, now it's 9 minutes be this now, eh? Now it's 9 minutes be this, and I still fall to them the places.
They calm down. I tell you that my vlog show. Hey, you didn't see the matter? I didn't see the vlog show. Don't worry yourself. Yes, now. Hey, somebody don't show.
Check. That now how many goes now?
Yes, now 4 for 3.
4 to remain one now. It remain.
Why the app not dey open again now?
It remain one. The app not dey refresh.
The app not dey refresh again now.
But how many?
Hey.
You take up his cost.
I don't lose my 100 naira.
Oh my, don't cast.
Now 4-3 the match end.
Yes, so.
You now 100 naira you lose.
People they talk money. Me, I'll do 5K. They talk. You talk about 100 naira. What you want?
Maurice, say what?
Now they tell us she they complain for 100 naira. What she do? Meanwhile, you 5K on committee.
5,000 you put inside.
Yes, now.
Maurice, now 5,000 you put inside.
How much are supposed to put
She
inside?
ain't getting that Maurice, you tell me make I put my entire salary for inside and you carry 5,000 go put.
It's just a figure of speech. Now, what you dey talk? Say I say entire salary because you want to build a house. What they worry you?
Fred, you use your entire salary.
Why you go? You dey greet you.
Oh, what a man,
You the man? Leave my face. I go want you.
You go bring my money come outside.
Where push money?
You go bring my salary come outside.
I will say I tell you that you do.
My salary now go.
What they worry you?
I'm not going to
I will kill you. I will kill you now. Nonsense. Greedy man.
That is
I don't support to be friend with person like you. I don't support to be friend with you. Because you dey very greedy, you dey corny. May you use patterns when you use your money. Figure of speech. Figure of speech. Now I tell you.
That figure of speech go kill you. That figure of speech go kill you if you don't carry my salary come outside.
I warn you. I feel blow you. I dey keep person there. I feel kill you now.
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Have fun. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office.
Another one. Madam, make a rap for this song. I beg. Make a rap for this song. I beg. I beg now. Please, I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. While I know too much.